take this off. You hook. This is your dust holder.
Wow.
Yeah. Clean that, and that's your about every 2 or 3 days cleaning. That would go back in, but about once a month or so we clean these. Flip that open, and you'll see one is dark. These are rollers, and one is light. So you pull just the hair off of them. Hair is going
Can you put on your hand? Yeah, there you go.
right there. This one was pretty clean, didn't have much on it. This one didn't
Oh,
have much.
wow, that's a lot.
Didn't have much on it either.
That's a lot of
And then I
hair.
usually take a wipe and kind of clean it off and wipe it. The big stuff out. Like this. Pretty simple. There's not too much to clean on them. And then when you put the rollers in, you'll see one is light and one is dark.
Okay.
You just got to match them up. Take some of the extra dirt out of there, like that. And you just spin this little thing till it fits in. I wipe these rollers too a little bit, but just picking it up, wipe her up.
Aren't you gonna take a little bit dirt there? See?
There you go.
Wow. You might wanna just do.
Yeah, and this little thing too, I also take a
Oh,
screwdriver.
I never fixed that one.
I take a screwdriver and then take the hair off of this one every once in a while. But today I can just pull it off of there.
It's not much.
And then you just flip it.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for
Hands go back
watching.
down, and you're done.